Hi, and welcome to my video for my repeat project for an online store. See here, this is the database. So you've got categories, orders, reports, users. And you go to the store then. This is your homepage, you log in. You're welcome. These are the products. This stuff here is stuff that was in the Bootstrap file I downloaded to use, but if you click on it, brings you to the details for that particular product, shows photos. You can also view by category. These are just the ones that are in pottery. If you go to checkout, you see I have products here. You can remove, add, delete all. Click on buy now. It goes to PayPal, and that's all functional. I'm not going to demonstrate it here because it will take too long and I'm short on time. We go back. The shop, this again just shows everything. The pictures actually look a bit better. Again, I had this in this lorem ipsum as a placeholder. I just haven't been able to get rid of it and find where I left it. More info brings you to that sort of page again. So category here, just that one. Go back, pottery. These are just samples, more can be added. And to add more, you go to admin, the dashboard. Orders shows you the orders have gone out. These are just kind of sample ones that I filled in before. Actually, I'll show you how to, you can add another one. Checkout. Public. There you go. And if we go to admin, we've been logged out here. And orders, there you go. You see there's an extra one. View products. So this is where you go. You can, from here, you can see how many of each product you have, its price. Despite what it says on the very front page, the prices do come out in euros. And click on here. You can edit. So we'll just say edit the short description here and take the quantity down to 10. Update. And there you go. And we go home. There you can see it again. And click on it here. See updated short description. Admin also allows us to add products. Say add 5 tab 5 category. We'll say clothing. Choose file. We'll just reuse this picture again. Open, publish, and there you go. You have it there. Categories just shows you one of the categories here. You can delete those. You can add a new one. Test, add category. There you go. And users. Those are registered users. I thought I deleted that off. Never mind. Cancel. Username. Kieran Fitz. And there you go. I'm now also a user. So home, contact page. Those can be, in theory, you can send a message which just say blah, blah, blah. email done up, and send message. As you said, it doesn't actually send to my email, so no, but the functionality is there. So okay, that's the end of my video, and thank you very much.